Hi, in this video we are going to make outlet of the screw conveyor. So first we use front plane, then make a circle about 200 diameter, then create a horizontal line, sorry, vertical line, then horizontal line and vertical lines. Make the length of 110 meter, sorry, mm, and use trim additive and cut this part and create an offset around 4 inside. Then close the cap from both sides, and this gauge is not defined. So what is the problem? You can tell in the comment section. Make an boss extrude around 6 feet. You have to write FT. Now select this face and make a sketch. Convert this and trim outside area. Make a plain white so it's better to see those things. Go to offset and delete this. Trim it. Okay, I'm sorry. The offset should be outer line, not inside. It was my mistake. Offset should be outer and make it around 30 mm. Hit the green check and this line also converted and close the cap. Create isometric view. Extrude pause. Press hash key and choose reverse direction and make it 5 thick. The reverse direction and merge region. Also, you can boss extrude to mirror this portion, but I am doing a sketch once that flex. Create sketch on this plane and select this sketch, convert it and extrude it. Reverse direction at the green. Select this face and sketch. Create a line. Make the length of 500 mm from this point to that point, 16 mm. Similarly, on the opposite side, 500 mm and from origin to 5 mm, 16 mm. Okay, then close the sketch and select weldment and structural member. Select ANC each angle iron and the size 2 into 2.125. Create new group and select this and make it the angle of 90 degree. So it mirrors. Hit the green check. Either you can make a sketch from this side or you can do mirror. I think it's better to do mirror. Select right plane and bodies to mirror and green check. Make isometric view. Select this face. Center corner rectangle. Make a vertical line and it should be construction line and select all this portion and make it symmetric. And the horizontal line would be 300 mm and vertical 15 mm. And this length 17 mm, 70, and make it x2 5 mm and unmerge the result. Now you have to select another sketch plane. It should be bottom. So I made a mistake. Go to both extrude and choose reverse direction. Now perfect. Better we can do welding. Now these things we have to mirror. So how we can do? So we need a central plane. So we have to create a center plane. Select this face and that face and make a plane and choose mirror. Bodies to mirror. Select the plane and bodies. Okay. This way you can mirror. Top plane. Select the top plane and sketch a center rectangle from origin area. Make it 100 mm and 120 mm aligned with vertical. Select line and make it vertical and use construction geometry. Select line, sorry, smart dimension and 5 mm. Our sketch is fully defined. Now go to extruded cut. Now go to extruded cut and select up to next. Hit the green check. Select plane. You have to make a plane. Flip 30 mm. I think 140 mm. Yeah, 140 mm. I think 150 mm. I have made 150. Select plane 3 and sketch. Choose line. Select this line, this point, and that point. Make it construction line. Choose center rectangle. Create these things and fully define. Okay. We made a plane 3 and we sketched. Sorry. Choose extrude boss and select this sketch and up to surface. We have to select this face and choose thin feature. So we can make a sheet around 2 mm and it should be outside or inside, whatever the requirement we have. So in my case, during that time, my SolidWorks program was crashed and I have made another video. So jump to that way. Okay, select this face and convert entity. Outer line should be converted and make a bottom things and create. We have to create a plane. So go to exit the sketch, select plane, select this face and the distance from this face to that plane 150 mm. Select this face and create a sketch. Select center rectangle Horizontal line would be 18 mm and vertical line 80 mm. And the distance from origin to origin vertical and make it coincident. Select lofted boss. Select this gate and these things. Use lock and thin feature. We have to apply one direction 2 mm and hit the green tab. Sorry, it should be reverse. Hit the green tab. See how it looks like. So in this way, you can make outlet of the screw conveyor. If you are new in this channel, please subscribe and like. Select this face and make a sketch. Use corner rectangle. This point to this area. Same way, same things we have to do. And we have to use a sheet like 5 mm. Hit the SK and cos x2. 5 more. The green chart. Either you can combine or unmerge the result of boss x. Hide those planes, plane 3 and plane 5. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Hit the like button and please do subscribe to my channel, and I will make another video of screw conveyor part 2. I will upload very soon. So stay tuned guys and hit subscribe and like button. Bye bye.